Welcome to Orage Technologies. Today, we are diving into a crucial topic: what are the 5 types of cybersecurity? 1. Critical infrastructure cybersecurity. First up, we have critical infrastructure cybersecurity. Organizations handling critical infrastructure, such as energy, transport, health, water, and digital services, are often more vulnerable to cyber attacks. The use of older software in supervisory control and data acquisition (SCADA) systems poses a significant risk. In the UK, the NIS regulations mandate essential service operators to implement technical and organizational measures to manage security risks effectively. 2. Network security. Next on our list is network security. This involves addressing vulnerabilities in your operating systems, network architecture, servers, hosts, firewalls, wireless access points, and network protocols. Ensuring the integrity and confidentiality of your network is crucial in safeguarding against cyber threats. Cloud security. Now, let's talk about cloud security. As more businesses migrate their data and applications to the cloud, securing this space becomes paramount. Cloud security focuses on safeguarding data, applications, and infrastructure hosted in the cloud, ensuring they remain protected from unauthorized access and cyber attacks. 4. IoT, Internet of Things, security. Moving on to IoT security. With the proliferation of smart devices, securing the Internet of Things is essential. IoT security involves protecting smart devices and networks connected to the IoT. This includes everything from smart fire alarms and lights to thermostats and other appliances that connect to the Internet without human intervention. 5. Application security. Last but not least, let's delve into application security. This type of security addresses vulnerabilities resulting from insecure development processes in designing, coding, and publishing software or websites. Ensuring the integrity of applications is crucial to prevent exploitation by cybercriminals. If you are looking for top-notch cybersecurity solutions tailored to your needs, look no further than Orage Technologies. We specialize in providing end-to-end cybersecurity services to safeguard your business against evolving cyber threats. Visit our website or contact us today to learn more. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video with your colleagues, and subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for joining us. Until next time, stay secure.